mina ngiyamthanda umfana angimkwatelanga futhi usithukile wasibiza ama-gay wathina basibhebhe indoma so thina le ngicazule kakhulu bathi basibhebhe indoma sho ukuthi thina asakwazi ukudila nawo chere bethu in peace asakwazi ukudila nawo chere bethu in peace kufanele sibonise abantu what type of girls we're dealing with, what type of money we make. Yo, so impilo artist ngapha eSouth Africa fanele ibe njalo, fanele nibone usenza malini, fanele nibone ukuthi sijola nobani, kuze ningazosibiza ama-gay, kuze ningazothi sibabi. Fanele siyenzeni sozilungisa ubuso njengama-artist wase-America. Sozilungisa ubuso guys. Nayi inhloko yebhasi bengikhuluma ngayo yabo. Bathi nginenhloko yebhasi. Bathi nginenhloko yebhasi, tusho tarabiao. Tusho nak na inhloko yebhasi. So I was embracing my bus shaped black head. Yo, been laughing all day. Look, you know what's been my highlight? You know me nang Vovey. Hi guys, not knows what's Vovey. Y'all can't keep calling me gay. Like every time get something, oh it's gay ass nigga. Dog, yeah, fine. I can take that from fans. No, you know? I can take that from fans and I just brush it off from fans. From fans is not heavy. Fans can tell you anything because abaz gutu genza kamambela. You understand? Like abaz you anything because abaz gutu genza kamambela. You understand? Like abaz gutu genza in something. And now this guy been in the industry for a couple of months, and he didn't learn anything because he was boxing himself inside. He wasn't asking for information. Good guys, is this what's really happening in the music industry? Can you teach me your ways? Can y'all teach me how to dog? Angeke ngishintshe manje because angeke ngishintshe bese ngihlala ekhaya because bangibiza ngegay. Dala bangibiza gay, bro. And I've been dealing with my girls in peace. It's not the right time to say this, but like I deal with the most beautiful woman in peace, bro. Like in peace. Because now and I don't have to show my partner anymore. I just kept it like that. Man, I'm just telling y'all what I'm cooking. You understand? You understand? But me, I've been comfortable with y'all calling me gay. But now I am fana nyana azofika bese azongibiza ngegay noise. Because ucabanga ukuthi siyalingana. Asilingani ngemali ngeyonke into ngenhlonipho. Ngesithunzi asilingani. Ungafiki umfana azocabanga ukuthi la siyalingana. Hloniphi life. Hloniphe abantu abadala ukuze insuku zakho sizokwanda. Mara too short.
Yeah, ne. Yabona like ngizelanga ukuze explain izinto ezibhaya. Ngizochaza yenzeni kanjani nini. Hayi. Angeke ngisolo ngikhiphana nama LV belt nama Gucci belting now just to prove a point. Ngithola. Umjito waringile amanga ndiwe waringe ngakhona yena no too short nje ba decide ukukhuluma into zabo lewazikhuluma ngakhona. Yeah, sabayenzile lento like sabayichithile iacha leyo kumele bayichithe ngakhona akuna jive mina naleyo nto leyo ngisazoba ibar vye ngizidlela ushut up yangithola. Kudala ngibar kule game kudala abantu bangitshela baringa ngam blind baringa ama otherwise ngam ngisathulile namhlanje yangithola ngisazothula nangalindaba le it's fine babaringa. Into nje mina engize ngayo yabo kuzoxwayisa amajita or amantombazana that are about to get into the game or that they're already in the game or they're still trying to figure this game thing out yangithola or amajita hype yabo ingathi nje ihype mayiphela or izinto zakho seziba mnyama or yabo izinto azisakhanye the way bezikhanya ngakhona bese ufuna ukucekela abanye abantu phansi. Ongathi izinto besiziba mnyama ufuna ukuchamela lo mfula owagaya amanzi. Yangithola nje like go back to the drawing board. Beka idolo phansi uthandaze via. Uspane via. Umdala kusibharo uzokuvulela izindlela. Yangithola. Yacela nje ukuthi ungafuni ukushayina ngamanye amagama wabanye abantu. Ungafuni ukuduma indlela zokukhanya amagama wabanye abantu. Ungafuni ukuduma indlela zokuthi ucekela abanye abantu phansi. Lento lengeke isendawo nje. Uzokhabathela. Into nje mina ngifuna ukuyisho nje namhlanje. Ezinye amahlaya nje kuphela. Shaya iceleni. Mara otherwise, yeah, danko.
Hi, get your family. Welcome to All Trending Mzansi. Yo, bathandi bomgosi, uyabona uTebogo G Mashiro really pulled a number on this one because Aibo, not Youngstana and Tosh responding to him, bathandi bomgosi, Youngstana he's okay with his fans calling him a gay because he's been dealing with that for a very long time and it does not affect him. But for G Mashiro to say that is disrespect on another level. Even Utosh Naye added by saying that it is okay if he believes that he only owns one expensive belt. Yo, but at Guningi, their fans, they were saying that they are over explaining themselves. They're not even supposed to make those videos because they know their truth. Why record a video trying to explain something that you know very well that it adds no value because it is not affecting them? I mean, but when is it really affecting you? But yeah, asazi guys, I think people take issues differently. Please do leave your comments down below. Thank you for watching. Catch you on my next one. Bye.